Hey, how's it going? This is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. We wanted to shoot you this video to show you how you could bring in more clients to the door. So the three things I'm going to talk to you about are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is really just the words on your website. We see you're working with a Facebook page, so we definitely want to get a website built for you and have at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on that homepage and lots of content on the back pages. So when we take a look at your top competitor, Hubbard's Maid Service, we see that they have, probably 300 to 400 words on their homepage. So that's very beatable. When we take a look at Google, we're going to search cleaning services Savannah. We're always going to see the paid ads at the top. Then we have the map pack and then the organic section. So we'll skip the national company. We're going to stay local. We see Hubbard's is number one in the organic section. So definitely want to get the content on the site. And another ranking factor for this organic section is something called a backlink. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another site. So the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. When we plug Hubbard's in, we see that they have 22 referring domains or websites, giving them 622 backlinks. I will say that not all backlinks are created equal. So there are trustworthy ones and there are spammy ones. Of course, we want the trustworthy ones. A good way to gauge that is by looking at these metrics here. Ideally, these metrics would be double digits and would be pretty close to each other. So maybe 20 and 20 would be really great. So the backlinks we have are okay. We could definitely do better than that. Another thing with backlinking is we want relevant backlinks. So getting other cleaning sites to link back to your website is going to be a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows you guys are not in the pizza industry and that is completely irrelevant to you. So trustworthy, relevant backlinks are what we're going for. Next, let's take a look back to Google. So citations, that is how you, one of the main ranking factors for the map pack. And a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number with different directories throughout the internet. So, typically when we research these people, we see they only maybe have 30 to 50 citations. We always just go ahead and add 350 so we can beat your competition by a landslide. So let's jump back over to Ahrefs and let's take a look at some keywords. So that way you can get an idea of the search volume. So cleaning services Savannah GA, there's about 150 searches for that every month. And if you were to ever run a Google ad, it would roughly cost you $11 per click. So anybody who clicks on your website, it would cost you $11 every time you get a click. So you can see there's a good amount of searches going on for that keyword alone. Then we have maid service, Savannah GA, there's 80 there. Savannah cleaning services, there's 60 there. House cleaning services, Savannah GA, there's another 50. So you can see there's a decent amount of searches for people looking for cleaners in our area. So if you don't have an online presence and you're not being found for these keywords, there's just a lot of business missing out. So just to do a recap for you, we want to get a website built that of course, mobile friendly, and has all the little features that Google likes to see, and user friendly, most importantly. But we want to get lots and lots of content on that homepage and on the back pages, because in Google's eyes, content is key. So 1,500 words on that homepage of keyword-rich content. We want relevant, trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website to show Google that you guys are the authority in your niche and you deserve to be to the top of the page. And then we want to go ahead and get a Google My Business listing created for you and get it fully optimized and get the citations added so that way we can get you in the top 3 positions. That's all I have for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach back out to us. We hope you enjoyed this video and